Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how magnets work. Now first of all forms of matter, whether it be a magnet, screwdriver, you, me, the camera, all forms of matter are made up of atoms. Atoms are extremely tiny little particles that are comprised of three different parts. The very center of an atom has protons and neutrons, and that's called the nucleus of the atom. Surrounding the nucleus, somewhat orbiting it, are electrons, and the electrons are in tiny little shells or pockets called electron domains. Now, the electrons inside an atom, inside of magnets, are positioned in such a way to where they exhibit either a positive or a negative charge. When you get a positive and a negative charge on two different objects and they come close to each other, they'll pull each other in. When you get a positive and a positive charge, or a negative and a negative charge, they repel each other or push each other away. Now, in certain metals, like in iron and nickel, the electrons are also positioned in a certain way where they'll be attracted to magnets. And that's how magnets work. Now, if you notice from different types of metal, they won't attract to each other. They won't either push each other away or stick onto each other. And that's because the electrons are positioned in such a way that they're not exhibiting any extra force. They're not doing any other pulling or pushing with what the electrons that they have inside of them. But now, the interesting part. Watch this. If you noticed before, it didn't pull or push on it on this other piece of metal, but now it's pulling on it as if it's a magnet. It has a magnetic attraction to this other piece of metal. What I did, I actually changed position of the electrons inside of this screwdriver to where exhibits a pulling force, and that's why you have this sticking together. And that, my friends, is magnetism.